India is changing fast and in a big way. From the way we shop, travel, and pay to how we produce energy and build infrastructure, the pace of change is unlike anything we have seen before. And this transformation brings big investment opportunities. Hi, I'm Krishna Appala from Capital Mind. Surge India is a fundamental equity portfolio designed to capture the mega trends driving this change. If you look around, there are big shifts happening in India. More people are moving to digital payments, more goods are made in India, logistics is improving, energy is becoming more self-reliant, and sectors like defense and manufacturing are getting a big push from the government. At Surge India, we build a portfolio of around 30 companies that are directly participating in these long-term trends. We call them Megatrends or Mahatrends, the big structural shifts that can play out over the next 5 to 10 years. Around 80% of our investments are in what we call core portfolio, focused on emerging and ongoing megatrends like financialization, consumption, import substitution, energy independence, and infrastructure. We identify these themes early, find strong companies in those areas, and build a diversified portfolio around them. We don't try to predict the exact winner from day one. Instead, we invest across a few promising companies in each trend and then build positions as things play out. The remaining 20% is allocated to what we call special situations, opportunities arising from events like demergers, acquisitions, or management changes. These are typically short-term ideas held for 6 to 12 months aimed at generating additional alpha. India is in a sweet spot. Compared to many global markets, we are seeing a stable growth, rising income, and increasing investor interest. Whether it's digital adaptation, local manufacturing, or financial inclusion, there is a lot going right for India. Surge India is built to ride that wave. If you're looking to invest in India's future through a focused, research-backed portfolio, Surge India could be a great fit for you. Feel free to reach out to us at capitalmind.in. We'd love to take you through how it can work for your long-term financial goals. Thank you.